Welcome back everyone, Dylan from IP Phone Warehouse here again, back with another unboxing video for you. Today we will be unboxing the Yealink T46U IP phone. If you've been liking our videos, please give this video a like and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any more of our upcoming product videos. The Yealink T46U is a high-quality mid-range desk SIP phone that offers 16 lines. It offers 10 line keys, 4 soft keys, along with a full-color display. The phone features Yealink Optima HD audio quality, giving amazing sound through the handset, as well as through the full duplex speakerphone. The T46U also offers dual USB ports for plug-and-play headsets, along with other optional USB accessories. It also comes with 2 gigabit Ethernet ports. The Yealink T46U is a very popular phone that is supported by various VoIP providers such as 8x8, RingCentral, Zoom, and many others. So let's take a look at the Yealink T46U. Alright, so we open up the box. Got our quick start guide. Right away here we see the phone. I'll take that out, get rid of the plastic, keep going down through the box, more cardboard. We have our handset, we have our Ethernet cable, our RJ9 handset cable, and then our desk stand. And that's all we got in the box. Move that out of the way. Take the stand off. So put it in just like that. And here we have our T46U. Here we have the handset. Plug one side into the phone. And then the other side of the RJ9 will go into the handset part behind the phone. There we go. So on the back of the phone we will see our 2 USB ports, one on top and one towards the bottom. These will be used for our plug-and-play headsets or any other optional USB accessories. Next to one of the USB ports you will see the 2 gigabit Ethernet ports. The T46U supports PoE. And then next to those Ethernet ports you will see the power supply port. The power supply will not be included in the box. And then next to the power supply port you will have your 2 RJ9 Ethernet ports. One of them will be for the handset, and then the other one will be for a wired headset. The phone also works great for Bluetooth headsets. That can be used with the BT40 dongle, which is not included. It also works great with wireless headsets, such as the WH62 and the 63, and it will not require an additional EHS60 cable, but will also support both basic and enhanced functions. The T46U will also can be turned into a Wi-Fi phone using the WH50 dongle, which is also not included. So now we get a closer look at our full color display, as well as our line keys and our soft keys. Underneath the handset here we see our full duplex speakerphone. Also, when you are on the handset, it offers acoustic shield, eliminating any unwanted background noise. So once again, the Yealink T46U is a very popular phone that is supported by various VoIP providers. If you have any other questions about the Yealink T46U or any other VoIP phones that we offer, check out our website at www.ipphone-warehouse.com or give us a call at 888-201-9056 and we'd be happy to help you with any other questions that you have. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next product video.